Let's go and make something.
Like I bought one. There's a split one. Slide it down the back there. Weatherboards up, well 95% of it done. We come around, go up the ladder. We've gone all the way up to here. And like I said, on the other update, we'll now cut some boards and cut some battens and nail them up in there, flashing, and then we'll put some more flashing around the edges. And then eventually we'll sort that one out. And once that's done, fill the holes with some putty and paint. So there's still another good day's work, and it's mainly the fiddly bits going now. 100-year-old house, so getting a makeover. Hey old Gil. And my nail gun. Thank goodness I've got that, because there's about 500 nails in there at the moment. Didn't skip a beat. Now we've cut this a little bit straighter now, as you can see, and the flashing will just come round and we'll work out a thing onto there, and we're not sure what we're going to do down there yet, but we'll worry about that when the time comes. Looks tidier than the gruff cast. Now the window flashings, well, the window facing on. And up here we've got the cutouts, and there'll be just either a bit of putty or thick paint, really, to be honest. Maybe a bit of putty and something because there's a bit of a gap on this one, but. And then I've got just to individually cut small bits for them, and I'm not doing that today, I'm calling it a day. But just having those window fascias on makes the place look pretty flash, except for all my paint. That's just primer paint. Yeah, that's just primer paint where there's a join there. So we'll be painting the top flashing just the same colour, I think. Ooh, we got a bit of sealant coming through.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And remember to click the notification bell icon, that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. You can find us on most social media, including Google+, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter and Instagram. Please also consider supporting me on Patreon. See you next time. Don't forget to go and make something.